This is our lifetime 4-foot adjustable height, fold in half table. And I gotta say, I love this thing. We take it everywhere we go, camping, fishing, trips to the park, out to the land. I mean, just anywhere you need a table, this thing works great. The legs fold down, they extend very easy. The table again folds in half. When you fold it in half to put it up, it even has this handle that comes out the top, so they're so much easier to carry around. I can carry 2, maybe even 4 of these tables with no problem, where I would be struggling with maybe 1 or 2 of the larger ones. They just really are convenient, and they fit in your vehicle with no problem. So it doesn't matter how big of a vehicle you have, this thing's gonna fit in it. And they are super convenient to have around. So I would say if you don't have one of these and you need a little portable table, definitely pick one of these things up. Maybe 2, maybe 4. I mean, we've got, let's see, probably 3 of these, and we use them for all kinds of things. People come over, this is some place to put 4 chairs. Kids can eat at it because it's adjustable height. You can put it high and low. I mean, it's just a great table. A lot of thought went into this, and I really like these tables. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Thank y'all for watching. Take care.